God, these look absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these wood-grilled chicken souvlaki skewers in today's video. So if you're interested, keep watching. First thing we're gonna do is start with a marinade, okay? I'm gonna chop up some parsley, do a few fresh herbs here. All right, that's finely chopped. Let's go a couple tablespoons in there. That's plenty. Rest of it, I'll put into a small bowl and we'll save it for later. There. Next up is some oregano from my garden. This is a key ingredient in a souvlaki marinade. That's plenty. All right. All right, again, into the bowl. I'd say this is a solid 2 tablespoons here. There. Next up, the rooster. And we're gonna add the juice of 1 lime. A little citrus, a little acidity here. Yeah, that looks good. Then I'm gonna add a couple teaspoons of garlic paste, just like that. Let's add some Greek yogurt to this, and I think I'm gonna grab about, I don't know, maybe a ½ cup? That's about right. Here's a ½ cup, maybe a little more. Boom. Just like that. And what this yogurt does is it not only tenderizes the chicken, but it also acts as sort of a glue for some of that marinade to stick to the surface of the chicken breast while I grill it. So let's just give this a little stir, just to combine the lime and the yogurt and all the herbs and garlic together. We're gonna add some olive oil. And now let's do ½ cup. How about that? Perfect. Give it a quick whisk. Just to, again, combine everything, sort of emulsify it. Doesn't have to be perfectly emulsified here. That looks pretty good though. Okay, oh, you know what? We need salt and pepper. Almost forgot that. So we're gonna do a teaspoon and 1/2 of kosher salt, just like that. And then some freshly ground black pepper. Just eyeball this. Yeah, that looks good. Nice. Again, another whisk. Beautiful. Next, we need to cut up the chicken. And I'm going to, I don't know, cut them up into pieces like, I don't know, about that size. You guys see that? Yeah. So, just like this. I'm using a 1.5 pounds of chicken for this recipe, okay? This looks great. Last cut. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna take all of this chicken and it's gonna go right into the bowl with the marinade. Just like so. Stir it up. Yeah, just make sure you get an even coating here. Perfect. Now we're gonna let this chill out for a couple of hours. You can even make this chicken the day before and let it marinate overnight. So I'll do that. I'm gonna clean up my station and we'll move on to some tzatziki sauce. All right, I'm gonna commandeer this bowl. Whoop, there goes 1 tomato. And I'm gonna grab some Greek yogurt. I'm thinking, let's do a cup. How about that? Perfect. Now I'm gonna grab some coarsely grated cucumber, okay? Let's do, I don't know, ½ cup maybe? Yeah, that's good, just like that. Perfect. Next up, a little bit of garlic paste. That's probably a fat teaspoon. Here's some fresh dill. Chop this up real quick. All right, that looks good. Right here. That is a hefty, hefty tablespoon. Lots of dill. Yum. Juice of 1 lemon. Just make sure you catch the seeds here. Wow. Miraculously, none of them came out. Let's put some salt in here. Let's season it. I'm gonna throw in about a ½ teaspoon right here. You can always add more if you want to. I'm gonna stir this up. Let's give it a taste. Bingo. That's pretty yummy. All right. I'm gonna put this aside and we'll whip up a little tomato and red onion salad to go with everything, okay? All right, a little bit of cracked black pepper just to finish it off, and maybe a little salt as well. Give this a quick stir. And I know I didn't list any of the ingredients, talk about this too much. I'll put that information in the video description box below. Now it's time to build our fire with some premium pecan wood that we got from Cutting Edge Firewood. All right, check out the box. Right there. Have a look inside. Beautiful wood right here. Again, this is pecan wood, all right? This stuff is moisture-free and mold-free. That's because Cutting Edge Firewood puts all of their product through a rigorous drying process. This stuff burns hotter, longer, and cleaner than anything else you can find on the market. Cool thing is they ship their product nationwide, so you can go onto their website, you can pick out splits like this, logs, chunks, these little pieces of wood that they cut for you. They're called mini cut pizza wood. You can put in your portable Neapolitan style pizza oven. They got it all. So hit their website, place an order, and I hope you enjoy cooking with this stuff. Now we're gonna build a fire. We're gonna light it up, let it cool down a little bit, and we're gonna cook off our kebabs. First things first, add your fire starter to your fire pit. Now, those little guys make the fire lighting process remarkably easy. So when you place an order, you're gonna get a little packet of those things. They're great. Next up, place a few pieces of kindling around that fire starter, kind of like that. I've got my 2 splits of pecan wood right here. I'm gonna put those in the fire pit, just like that, okay? One last piece of firewood on top, just like that. Got my matches right here. And just light your fire starter. All right, we're good to go. While we're waiting on the fire to die down a little bit, let's go ahead and skewer our chicken. I've got my chicken marinating. It's been that way for a few hours now, and I'm just gonna grab some of them and skewer them up. These wooden skewers have been soaked in water for probably 45 minutes or so. That will keep them from burning up when they're on the grill. All right, one more piece here. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Check that out. All right, last piece of chicken right here. And that amount of chicken in the recipe should give you 4 skewers. Now I'm gonna put those to the side, let them hang out for a minute. Gotta go tend to the fire. All right, let's just drop our grill right on top of the fire pit. Now, this fire's still a little bit too hot. We're gonna give it another 4 or 5 minutes to cool down. Then we'll drop our chicken. All right here. Ooh, yeah. Chicken already smells great. And I'll tell you what, I can smell that firewood. It's not just a fuel source. It's definitely providing a nice aromatic scent and some flavor to this food. Now, this chicken needs to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes, and we're gonna rotate it a few times during the grilling process. So yeah, we're gonna eat in about 10 minutes. Sound good? And these look absolutely delicious. Look at that. Oh my God. All right, we're ready to go here. I'll pull the chicken. We will toast off a pita and plate everything up. I've got 1 pita here, okay? We're gonna drop it on the grill just to warm it up a little bit. Yep, that should do it. Ooh, nice and hot. Perfect. Grab one of these kebabs, put that right on the pita. Let's add a little bit of this delicious tomato salad I made earlier. We'll just kind of put that on the side here. Like so. A few more tomatoes. Beautiful. Almost forgot. Got to pull the skewer out of this chicken. Don't want to eat that. And then finally, a little bit of this tzatziki sauce just on this side right here. That way we can dip the chicken into it. Beautiful. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, that chicken's super tender. Check that out. Let's grab some tomato, a piece of chicken, a little tzatziki, a little pita. Here we go. Superb. I'm getting a good punch, excuse me, from the tomato salad, the lime, the lemon from the tzatziki, and the marinade in the chicken. Lots of oregano. Getting some dill now. Man, that is a flavorful dish. Give it a try. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you next time.